Welcome back to Good Show Tips. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix hotspot grayed out on your iPhone after the iOS 8, or your hotspot is not working after iOS 15. How you can fix this up? So let's get started. So first thing what you have to do is, when you're having this kind of issue, the first thing is you just have to make sure your SIM is working good. This is what you have to do. As you can see, we have an option to eject the SIM over here. So you just have to eject the SIM and reinsert it back and see whether the issue is solved or not. And if it's not working, then we have solution number 2. Solution number 2 is, what you have to do is just have to go over here and you just have to do a forced restart on your iPhone, and you have to try whether the issue is solved or not. In order to do a forced restart, you just have to press volume up followed by volume down button. Press and hold power button unless and until you see the Apple logo on the home screen, on the screen, and you have to go for it and see whether the issue is solved or not. And even if it's not working, you don't have to get panicked. We have a solution number 3 and 4. Solution number 3 is, you just have to tap on the settings. Now from here, what you have to do is just have to scroll down a little bit and you have to tap on general, and from here you just have to check for the software update and see whether you're having the latest version of software. And if you're having the latest version of software, you can definitely go for it, and you have to check whether you're on the latest version or not, and you just have to check for it. In some cases, if you're having any updates, you can go for the updates. And also, moving back to the same, you just have to go from here in the general itself, you just have to scroll down and you have to click over here on the reset and go for reset network settings. Go for it and give the passcode and go for the reset network settings. And once it is done, as you can see, you just have to do the reset network settings, and once it is done, you just have to go for it. And after this, most probably when the phone is being turned on, the most probably the issue regarding hotspot will be completely fixed. And this is what you have to do. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.